Hey guys, this is Jacques from Akulu Linux and welcome to another video. Now, if you haven't yet, you should go download the new LinDoz 2025. I see we've got about 3,000 downloads already since it's just gone live not so long ago. It's really awesome. It looks good, feels good, runs good, full of AI. I mean, this is just a really, really nice and comfortable OS. Comes loaded with a lot of nice good. It's game ready, office ready. I mean, it's got AI everywhere. It's really fully loaded with AI. You can generate images, videos, audio. It even has an AI office assistant. I mean, it's really, really, really cool. Now, I'm not going to focus today on all of that because I've done videos on that before. What I want to focus on is actually her coding abilities. So if you open up the toolbox here, the Electra AI toolbox on the desktop, you can also get the toolbox from the panel, or you can get the toolbox from the menu. So there's a toolbox over there, or if we close it, you can click toolbox over here, or toolbox on the desktop, right? If you open up the toolbox, you see there's AI Coder there. This is something that's very much overlooked by many people because they, don't really know that there's a coder, or they don't know the power of the coder, and they think like, oh well, I just use ChatGPT anyway, so what's the point? Let me show you. Okay, so let me quickly just explain this GUI before I show you how powerful she is as a coder. Now, unlike the other interfaces, if we open up, for example, Electra Terminal interface, and here we chat to her, here we go, hello. You'll notice that she replies very quickly here, like within 1 to 3 seconds, you'll get a reply here. Sometimes faster depending on server load. How are you today? Here she's designed to be a personal chatbot, right? And so the replies come very quickly here. Now the servers are a little bit busy this time of the day, and so about 2 seconds. When it's not so busy, about a half a second. Like it's so quick, right? And you can chat to her here. I mean, she's got a lot of modes, a lot of cool stuff. But this here is a different ball game, because here she's designed to be a coder. And not just a coder, a really good coder. And she will take about 20 to maybe 40 seconds to reply, because she actually thinks. She's almost like in an agent mode. So I'm going to ask her to write something here. I'll explain all of these buttons later. Let's just get into the coding first. So I'm going to ask her to write the code for a tkinter GUI that connects. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Connects to an AI chatbot. Okay, this is cool. So I'm going to ask her, write the code for the tkinter GUI that connects to an AI chatbot. That's it. I'm not going to say anything else, just that. Okay, so let's see how innovative she is. Now, she loves to make things pretty. I didn't actually have to specify the tkinter. She would probably put that in anyway, but I did just in case she didn't, because I do want a tkinter GUI. So let's see. So now, while she's thinking, I'll explain what these buttons are. So you've got clear history, save history, load history, and send, right? So basically, it's just to save your history or to load a history, and it saves and loads to a file. You can then take that file to another PC, open her up there, and then load that same history from that file. So it's just like if you want to move your conversation. Ooh, there we go. She's done. Very quick. 22 seconds, right? So let's take a look here. So as you can see here, she actually explains all the code. Like, she loves explaining everything, right? So she always treats you like you're a novice user or something. And you'll notice here the bubbles have a copy button, so you can just copy. Like if you hover over a bubble, there's like a little copy button there, so you can just copy. Okay, so she explains everything here, then she shows us some code, and then she explains all the imports, and she explains the classes, the widgets, everything else. Blah, 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 all the way down. She even tells you how to run the code, and then she gives you some key points, and then there's a conversation ID over there. That conversation ID is what gets saved when you save history or load history, and clears that ID. Okay, so let's go copy this code here, because I just want to see if this runs, right? If you're a beginner coder, then, there's a lot of info here. There's a lot of info for you to read. I want to see what she used for, she used the DuckDuckGo search, because DuckDuckGo also provides access to AI chat. So she's obviously used the DuckDuckGo search, and then she's used, I see she's used Bootstrap for themes. That's nice. I've used that in the past. She must have gotten used to that I use it. And I also sometimes, play with that. Okay, so tkinter. Okay, great. So we copied the code. I created a code.py, a blank one over here. So let's paste it. There we go. Paste the code. And let's save. Right. And now we're going to run that code. Open up a terminal. Let's go Python 3 code.py and hit enter. Oh, and there we go. There's a GUI. Oh, it looks like she didn't give a... Okay, there we go. That's tkinter for you, right? But it looks pretty. Look at this. This is pretty. This doesn't look like tkinter, right? Oh, I see she's put a couple of models here too. So they obviously have multiple models. Okay, nice. So let's try it. Let's say hello. And no, enter doesn't work. So didn't buy that. Let's hit send. Oh, there we go. How are you today? Send. I'm just a computer pro. Oh, we are chatting. We have an AI working here. First try, first go, boom, 22.8 seconds. She coded a GUI with a working AI in 22.8 seconds. I want to see ChatGPT beat that. Anyway, so let's carry on here. Let's say, write me a poem about the universe of Star Trek. So write me a poem about the universe of Star Trek. Let's see if the AI can do that. It says loading. Oh, so she's got a little loading screen going on here as well. That's pretty cool. Okay, so here we go. There in the vast expanse of starlight gleams, a tapestry woven of hopes and dreams. Okay, so Captain Kirk. I see there's Captain Kirk in there as well there. Okay, so we got a fully AI do all these models work. I'd be interested. Let's try Claude 3. Go hello. See if we get a reply there. Yes, Claude 3 works. Okay, so we got Claude, GT4 Mini, Claude, Llama. Let's see if Llama works. Hello. Yes, Llama. Ooh, Llama's fast. Mixtral. Hello. Send. Yes, Mixtral. Ooh, Mixtral gives me a nice thing here. Hello, anonymous, personal information regarding subscription configures. You need assistance, so please let me know, blah, 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 blah. Wow. That's a long hello. Okay, so in a nutshell, we just coded this with Electra in 22.8 seconds. She wrote a whole GUI, right? She wrote a whole GUI in 22.8 seconds. And okay, let's remove that. Can you write me the code for script that connects to AI chatbot? Hit enter. Let's see what comes up. OpenAI. Your OpenAI key, which means this is not free. You're gonna have to pay per token. But I suspect this won't work either. I suspect it's gonna have problems. So let's copy that code, and then let's go to code, edit, and let's paste it. Okay, so there we go. Wow, this looks like it's just that doesn't even look like it's a GUI. It's got just terminal based. Do we still have the terminal open? Yes. I think it's terminal based. Yes. Hello. Oh no, it doesn't even work. AI error. You try to access Okay, so it doesn't even work. ChatGPT can't even make you a chatbot out of the box. Sorry, there we go. Out of the box. Open 2 copies. ChatGPT can't even make you a terminal AI chatbot out of the box, but Electra did. Wow. Anyway, guys, so yeah, that's the power of Electra as a coder. Yeah, a little hidden gem that probably most people miss when they install the new LinDoz. Go check it out, guys. Download LinDoz 2025. There's a lot of hidden gems in this OS. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. is scribing through, no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. Yes, app. In the glow, in the flow, Makulu's Insight Show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Boot it up, feel the pulse, Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace, sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.